Good day, and so thrilled that you're here with me today. What I want to speak about is something that's really important, and that is how to find channels of communication with me or how to connect with me. So, what I want to share is something from when I was much, much younger, and I used to be in the corporate field. And I used to have to, it wasn't my position as such, but I would relieve someone on a switchboard. So that meant taking calls and diverting them and dealing with various issues concerning, the calls that came in and resourcing it to the right department or right head of department. So what I want to share with you is it is not a good idea to phone me because I'm inclined to run away from a direct phone call. I remember taking strain on the switchboard. It wasn't something that delighted me. And when I was younger, I would do the same thing. If the phone, obviously we had very different phones in those days, there was no such thing as a cell phone. But if the phone rang, I would ask somebody else to answer it because I'd had enough of the ringing. It felt very demanding and invasive. So what I'd like to share with you is I want to connect with you. I want to receive your messages. However, technology and me are not the best of friends. I do have a business WhatsApp group, and you can contact me on the business WhatsApp group or on Telegram, or it's the little box. I can't remember what it's called. And it's on my social media platforms where you can click on it and you will go directly through to my business account, the WhatsApp account. So you can communicate very easily with me. I know it's quite a thing clicking on somewhere because I'm a little bit apprehensive when it comes to let's click on here and go, and I just cannot remember what that little square box is called. However, it's being used fully at the moment. And so I recommend you either go that route or you email me with a question or something that you're dealing with or that you'd like to connect, and we can connect via Zoom or WhatsApp. So that's what I recommend because I truly, truly want to connect with you. So just a little bit about what I offer. There's the one-to-one sessions via Zoom, and there are the group sessions, and that is on a Wednesday evening. You can connect and register for the group sessions. Have a look on my social media. There will be a link being dropped into there soon, or connect with me and ask for the link. I would love to have you on the group session. So on the group session, we connect. We kind of, it's really about deep connection. It's meeting souls who are on a similar path or on this journey of self-discovery, who are willing to go a little deeper, perhaps journal a bit. You don't have to share if you don't want to, but if you're happy to share, you can. And so just going a little deeper, who are on this journey, willing to do little self-inquiry, perhaps through journaling on the call or after. And I then do a short, brief reading for that week. And then we also, I'll channel and allow a transmission to come through. Transmission looks very much like a meditation. And what this means is so much more than what it appears to be. So if you are, whatever you set your intention for, you may find this truly moves in and starts to shift things for you. So it could be your own healing. We all are accountable for our own healing on a very, very deep level. And this opens you up or expands into that arena where you can create this space for manifestation, your own healing, or whatever you choose from this particular transmission. Each week it'll be different. And I don't sit and consider what it's going to look like before the time. I just allow it to come through. So it's very often quite a surprise for me what starts to happen and what we see during the session. Please do join me if you can. I would love to share this with you. And I look forward to seeing you on the group call or in my WhatsApps or via email. Have a great week. Have a great day. Have a great month. Bye now.